Now, as I'm speaking, is it everybody that loves? Because there are some people who are rejecting you as we speak. They are not treating you in love. So you can't force it. So don't be misunderstood. You cannot determine how others see you and how they treat you. But you have right to determine how you will see others and how you will treat them. So don't always be downcasted and frustrated and so sad when others reject you. It's the way they choose to treat you, and you cannot influence it. Somebody is not getting what I'm saying. Are you getting me? You can't influence till you die. You will never be good in the eyes of some people. I'm telling you. No matter how you try to prove it. In fact, the highest number of time you say you are sorry, the more you are giving them reason to come again inside your life and still tell you are not sorry enough. Are you getting me? You are not sorry enough. If you were sorry enough, so you can't decide how people see you and treat you, but at least you can decide not to accept their definition of you. Somebody can call you a fool. You will truly become a fool the day you accept that what they say is true. But if they say you're a fool and you smile and you speak that you are a daughter of Zion, you are wise and you are a blessing, that is who you will be. So people can reject you and they will still reject you. Rejection is, have you noticed that even those great men of God that are healing the sick, sharing bags of rice, some people rejected them when they were alive. They seriously rejected them when they were alive. With all those good things, they rejected them. Some of them have died. Even now that they have died, some people have still not stopped condemning even the corpse. They are still condemning even the dead. Have you not seen people still condemning dead people? What's the case? They are gone, right? Just to tell you that you live and even you die, some people will still reject you. I've heard some people still condemning Nelson Mandela. Condemning Nelson Mandela. Like on a TV. The things that he did not do well. Of course, we know that he could not solve the problem of apartheid and the problem of discrimination and racism that has occurred for many decades within his short time of rulership. No, he could not correct all that problem. It takes a wise person to at least see the gold in people than to see the dirt in them. And some people will constantly, by their way, they are programmed to only see the bad in you. Love yourself, value yourself, and don't allow the way they see you to destroy your life.